ChatGPT 5 just dropped and it has a bunch of new awesome features. GPT 5 is faster, thinks deeper, and yes, you can vibe code full web apps from a single prompt. I'll quickly show you how to use ChatGPT 5, the new modes, the top menu, the plus composer, the speed jump, the image upgrades, and the extra power inside Canvas. Let's go. GPT-5 is now the default in ChatGPT. It decides when to answer fast versus when to switch into a deeper thinking mode for tougher prompts. If you need more runway, higher tiers lean into long, structured reasoning. In practice, quick when you want speed, careful step by step when you need depth, without you constantly toggling settings. You'll feel the performance bump right away, snappier replies, tighter logic, and fewer dead ends. It shines on longer prompts, multi-step plans, and multimodal stuff like reading screenshots, diagrams, and user interface mocks. Here's what's changed in the flow. Up top, click the model name to see your options. Choose GPT Fast for speed or GPT-5 Thinking for deeper reasoning. The Pro plan even includes a more powerful option for the hardest of problems. If you open up an older chat and something breaks, you can expose legacy models in settings for compatibility, then jump back to GPT-5 when you're done. Now, the plus composer menu down the bottom. This is where the day-to-day power lives. Attach files, docs, PDFs, slides, and spreadsheets from your device or connected drives. You can start voice notes here if you want to test ChatGPT 5 voice mode. You can also open a canvas directly from the composer for bigger builds or writing sessions. If you're researching, use connectors to pull info from your cloud apps so that everything stays in one place. Image has got a real lift too. Inside ChatGPT, you can generate sharper, more precise results with better control. Edit specific regions, swap objects, restyle sections, or adjust backgrounds, or just refine details just by describing the change. It's perfect for storyboarding UIs, mocking thumbnails, or iterating product shots without bouncing to another app. For creators, ChatGPT 5 image generation is a fast, first-pass studio that you can polish later. Let's vibe code. Describe the feel. Modern, airy SaaS dashboard with playful micro interactions and a clean pricing table. And GPT-5 generates a solid starting point. It scaffolds pages, picks sensible layout patterns, and suggests components. If the project grows, ChatGPT often auto-opens Canvas so you can tweak code live, preview HTML, and iterate right beside your chat. This is where ChatGPT 5 coding really shines for quick prototypes, marketing pages, and internal tools. You set the vibe, it drafts the structure, then you refine together. If you're new and wondering how to use ChatGPT 5 day to day, start basic. Outline a video, draft copy, or debug a snippet. Use the plus menu for files and screenshots. Try vibe prompts for layout and style direction. And if you're building, there's a lot here for ChatGPT 5 for developers. Then move into Canvas when you want to refine. Watch this video next to see how to make your own AI avatar free using the industry-leading HeyGen. Also, subscribe to the channel for more AI updates just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.